Welcome back to Outback Polaks. 6 a.m. in the morning. We're going for a ride. Bloody trucks. Got Greg on the 500.
Hey.
Marcus on the 650. And I've only got the real big boy's bike here today.
I'm with the smallest bike, I didn't even realise.
He's like, he saw my bike and he's going, oh, let's get a bigger bike. And now it's like, oh, my bike's, everybody else's bike is shit.
I've got an advantage on all of them. Anyway, we're gonna grab a coffee and then do the Beechmont run and then head up to Mount Tambourine. My exhaust is really loud, I can't hear anything.
I know exactly what you're doing on your bike no matter how far ahead you are. Seems pretty effortless in taking off at the lights, so I gotta like, and you're like,
yeah. 700 cc.
Yeah.
That's a good thing, unlike your dad. Alright, so we've just done the Beechmont run. Greg, how was it?
oh, it's good.
Yeah. Mark, good?
Yep.
Excellent. Forgot to say that I had two birds on the way up, a lorikeet and a crow, and we just had an encounter with a wallaby. So, but he decided to stay on his side of the road.
He stayed where he should have been.
Which was good.
Yeah.
But check out this view, Beechmont. This is where all the paragliding happens. They all jump off the side here. So that was a good run back up. Here's the GoPro.
Oh no! Oh shit!
Yeah.
Does it still work?
No.
Oh crap! the screen would be broken, at least you could work with it.
This is why you need good insurance, people. I have good insurance. Holy crap, it just came off.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've reached the plateau of Beechmont. We're now gonna head to those mountains, which is Mount Tambourine, and grab a coffee. Some of us are gonna move their GoPros around.
Yeah.
Some of us no longer have a GoPro. Thank God for the other camera on the helmet, though. It's been an adventurous day.
It sure has.
We're gonna have to unpack all of this. See how I feel, because I hurt somewhere here. So we've made it to the Polish place in one piece. Vodka shots!
Oh yeah.
Except provisional and learner, so I'm the only one. Oh, let's go get a coffee.
I want something to eat too.
Yeah?
This place is really good, but just a little bit overpriced.
Yeah. Well, I've got a taste of.
So we've made it to the Polish place, but they're closed. Well, they don't open for another half an hour, and we kind of need to keep moving because it's going to be a very, very hot day.
Sure is.
And we're all probably feeling like we're inside a sauna suit. So we're going to keep going. We're going to go down to Tambourine Pub and have a meal there and a coffee.
Bearded Dragon down that way?
Yes.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
Bearded
place.
Dragon. Yeah, that place is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sorry, Polish place. Next time. So no vodka shots for me then.
No. Beer for everyone though.
Well, except the learner and the provisional.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna have a beer.
So we've just had a big brekkie, some coffee, heaps of water, ready for the final journey home. It's been a great day. First ride of the season, proper one anyway. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hopefully we'll survive the journey home. Oh, me at least. No more birds. Keep the birds away.
Facing up.
Hey? Oh yeah, try
Yeah,
that.
come here.